Alright, so I found one of my favorite vacuums in the trash yesterday. This thing is in really good condition, other than being really dirty. The bag is next to perfect. Again, it's dirty. I need to clean it up a bit. So what we're going to do is take this apart. I've already opened up the bag, and the inner bag looks brand new. So just based on that and the condition that the bag's in, I don't think that this was used all that much for whatever reason. It looks like they stored it out in the garage or on the side of their house or something. More inclined to think that it was stored inside. But it's been used. Not very much, but it's been used. But we don't even need to replace this bag, so we'll leave that be. But what we are going to do before we service it is take this apart and wash all the parts. I'm actually going to remove the motor and the fan chamber and everything that I can, and this is going to get a good cleaning. So first things first, we're going to undo the little bag clip here at the bottom. So now that that's loose, I'm going to undo this nut here. Just like that. I do anticipate that there's going to probably be some spiders. And that's why it was thrown away, it looks like. Typical clog. So I've got my trusty vacuum here. We're going to use that to clean this up. So I thought it was just that little piece. And then I thought it was just that, but it turned out to be that. I had to use the mop handle to clean that tube out. It's incredible. No wonder it wasn't vacuuming. Time for a spider check. Used to be a spider in there. So I can see the dead body of one. Belts had it. Well, there's the motor. Fan looks really good, surprisingly. Gonna clean it up a bit, vacuum it out. Wipe down the inside of this. It's actually not as dirty as I thought inside, at least nothing that a vacuum can't fix. So I'm just gonna wipe this down with a rag. And then we'll put it all back together. I'm gonna pull off the headlight cover too and inspect that and give it a good once over. Should go together pretty easily after that. All right, so this is this machine all done up. Cleaned up very nicely, just like I knew it would. I think on this one I would replace the brush roll just because, but this one is still good. The bristles are a little bit more soft than I would like them to be, but I'm not going to complain. Wheels are still in good condition. Even the squeegee's in really good condition. I don't think they use this all that much, if hardly at all. But, like I said, these are some of my favorite vacuums. I just love how simple they are. They pick up pretty good. Some people say they don't, but I mean, in my own tests that I've done on them, they pick up just fine, just like really any other bagged vacuum will do pretty good with. 2 speeds too. Works well. It's like an Oreck should. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and stay tuned for more.